one mistake beginners just make when it comes to color grading, and this is what I'm going to show you today. This is the raw footage and this is the grade. Okay, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to do it, to use Adobe Premiere to just work on. Okay, so my footage is okay, and let's move to the showing color, and this is how you're going to start it. Okay, so first, the only thing you need to move at it first is the curve. So when it comes to the curve, make sure you're going to bend it here to down like this. Okay, and let's see the before and after. Okay, so when you're done with that, you can just push here into the side. I'm going to show you how to go and work on the highlights to reduce it, to make it down. So I'll come here again, but I just want to show this on the basic correction. So when it comes to this side, make sure you're going to push the black. You need to choose or need to work with the footage. It's going to help you to understand it. And then you're going to push the contrast to 50.8, and let's see the before and after. So when you're done with that, just come here, the shadow, and push the shadow a little, and push the highlight to 13.6, and let the shadows be 17.4. okay, and here I'm going to make it a little bright. Okay, so 8.5, and let's just check it before and after. So when you're done with this process, okay, come see here, just push this to this around 10.4, and here push it to 9.1. so when you get to this, just come to the curve. Sorry, not this. Okay, here, the curve here. So when it comes to the curve, let's start from the blue. So the blue, I'm gonna push the blue around the side. Okay, let's push it around the sun. Don't worry, I will show you how to work on. And then when you push into the side, make sure you come to the green, and the green, you're gonna push the green into the down like this. So let me just check it and see before and after, or you can just mute this and just bring it out, and then move to the red. So when you move to the red, make sure you're gonna bend it. No, sorry. Make sure you're gonna push it to the top like this. Okay, gonna push it to the top like this, and here, okay, you're going to bend it a little more down. So when you get to this point, okay, come back to the white. So when you move to the white, make sure you're going to push it more down like this, and you're going to push here to the top like this, and let's check the before and after. So when you're done with that, just open the basics correction. So only thing we're going to do here is that I'm going to increase this a little more to 111.0. so when it will increase to 111.0, just come to the contrast, push the contrast. Okay, you can see. Okay, so let's just be on the 60.3, and the shadow. Okay, let the shadow be around this line, 0.9, and let me just check the before and after. Okay, so as you can see, the background, everything is cool, the face, everything is cool. So when we're done with it, let's come to the color. Let's come to the color match. So when it comes to the color match, we're going to push this one. Sorry, I'm going to push this one to this side. Okay, the shadow to that side, and I'm going to take it down like this, and let's see the before and after. So when you're done with that, it comes to the main tones, and when it comes to the main tones, push it to the side. Okay, push it to the corner of the side. So when I push it to the side, okay, you can just control this. Okay, you can just control it, but I just wanted to bend it down a little more, but not too much. Don't let it to just affect the skin and all the stuff. So let me just smooth it and just bring it out. Okay, let's check before and after. So when you're done with it, okay, it comes to the highlights. So this is the highlights. You can just move around and see where it's going to help you to achieve the look. So I'm going to push it here. I just want it from grid, so I'm going to push it to around the side. Okay, so when you're done with it, you can just control all those stuffs. Okay, so I don't want it to make it too dark, so I'm going to push it to be around here. Okay, so when you're done with it, that's it. And then you check if everything is just good, working with all those stuffs. Okay, so when it comes to this, don't make it too much. Okay, it's going to affect it. So when you're done with that, just come back to 5.4 and let it here to be, don't push it too much. Okay, let it be around 11.7. so when done with it, check the FX and see before and after. That's it. So guys, if you need more videos like this, click here. I'm gonna drop more videos, and need to subscribe to my page. If this video is cool and everything is just cool for you, just subscribe and just comment and like, and I'm gonna see you for the next video. Bye.